Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by extracting flavor. Soak tamarind in warm water and strain to get pulp. Once done, bring chopped tomato, turmeric, and rasam powder into a pot with 1 cup water. You want the tomato to break down quickly, so use medium-high heat and stir to avoid sticking. Meanwhile, if using dal, mash cooked tur dal to a smooth consistency and keep warm. This adds body and balancing starch to the rasam. Once the tomato-soft tamarind mix simmers, reduce heat and add mashed dal or extra water to reach soup-like consistency. You want a balance between tang and body. Stir in rasam powder and taste for salt. Make sure to simmer gently for 4–5 minutes so flavors meld without losing acidity. In a separate small pan, do the tadka. Heat oil, crackle mustard, add cumin, dry chilies, and curry leaves. This step releases essential aromatics and transforms the rasam. You finish by pouring the hot tempering directly into the pot, stir in fresh coriander, and simmer off heat for a couple minutes so the aroma blooms. Make sure to taste and adjust. Add jaggery for sharpness correction or a spoon of dal for body. If something goes wrong, too sour, neutralize with jaggery or more dal. If watery, simmer faster to reduce, or add a pinch more rasam powder for depth. Serve hot with rice or as a soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.